the best normal dish for getting screwdrivers out of your food. AI-generated recipes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a hot topic at the moment. The food science conference I attended last week had multiple sessions about machine learning and artificial intelligence. Some were good, others not so much. A bit like recipes generated with AI software. Take a virtual stroll around the Amazon bookstore and you'll find dozens of cookbooks that appear to be written by AI, sometimes without any apparent human intervention. The Ultimate Crockpot Cookbook for Beginners, for example, by Theresa J. Blair, and the date is 2023, is the cookbook that contains almost nothing but mojito cocktail recipes. Mojito recipes in a crockpot cookbook. Among the non-mojito recipes in the book, you'll find Mama's Mojito Chicken, which is skinless chicken breast marinated in rum, mint and lime juice, and Island Mojito Chicken and rice. Worryingly, Theresa J. Blair has also published a book on canning, pickling and fermenting. This made my food safety spidey senses tingle. Get a canning or fermenting recipe wrong and someone's going to die. It's okay though. Of the first 8 recipes in Theresa J. Blair's canning book, 1 is for teriyaki chicken wings and the other 7 are for cheese sticks. Baked cheese sticks, deep fried cheese sticks, low-fat cheese sticks, crispy cheese sticks, Stacy's cheese sticks, string cheese sticks and pepper jack cheese sticks. Delicious and thankfully free from any potentially dangerous processes that use canning, pickling or fermentation. Real food safety risks can arise from AI-written recipe books, however. Last year, mycologists urged people to avoid mushroom foraging books on Amazon that appear to be written by AI and which contain dangerous advice about mushroom identification. But it's not just recipe books where AI poses food safety risks. In May 2024, Google AI gave Mastodon user Joe Uchel unexpected advice when he asked if he could use gasoline to cook spaghetti faster. No, said the software, but you can use gasoline to make a spicy spaghetti dish, it said, even providing a recipe which included the instructions, sauté garlic and onion in gasoline until fragrant. An app that was supposed to create recipes using household leftovers caused an uproar in 2023 after cheeky New Zealanders entered the names of non-food household items as leftovers. The app created recipes for dishes including methanol bliss, a turpentine-flavoured French toast, and poison and glue sandwiches, and bleach-infused rice surprise. My favourite AI recipe moments come from Janelle Shane of AI Weirdness, who has been using neural networks to create recipes since 2020 with hilarious results. She cooked a chocolate brownie recipe which contained a cup of horseradish that made her eyes water when she removed it from the oven. She also trained a neural network to make delicious-sounding recipe titles based on popular dishes. The results included chocolate chicken cake, salmon beef-style chicken bottom, completely meat chocolate pie, cabbage pot cookies, and artichoke gelatin dogs. Her AI-generated recipe for crock-pot cold water contains water, cornstarch, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, butter, and lard combined in a slow cooker. Yum! But best of all is Janelle's collection of recipes produced by a neural network trained on American vintage dishes. White savoury curry will, according to its author, satisfy whippersnappers, carnivores, and pet rabbits. It's easy to make, warm and satisfying for everyone, and it's the best normal dish for getting screwdrivers out of your food. I'm going to read a small selection of the actual recipe. So the recipe will yield 3 to 4 servings to fit a chipmunk. It will yield 3 to 4 servings to fit a chipmunk. It includes the ingredients bacon grease, cans of red meat broth drained, boiling water, chopped onion, orange slices, Japanese nuts, yellow mustard, and whole peaches. And some of the instructions to make this amazing curry are substitute the orange slices for the peaches, removing the peel from the oranges. Mix the remainder of the lemon juice and soup, blend in the nuts, add the cheese and mix thoroughly, pour the contents onto salad greens and roll up. And I'm so pleased I got through that without laughing out loud. You can get more vintage-inspired recipes at Janelle's website and on the page AI plus Vintage American Cooking, a combination that cannot be unseen. And I challenge you to read those without crying with laughter.